your Murphy pants to find out about
That's
that,
right.
right? I
Make
mean,
it
it
jealous.
is Valentine's Day, but Chris's dog, you know, don't want to see him. Anyway, Chris is here with the AccuWeather forecast, and we're looking ahead to even more ice in the hours and days ahead.
You know, there's a couple rounds. Yeah, as if yesterday wasn't bad enough, we're talking about more ice potentially all the way tomorrow morning, and then that's going to be followed by a third and final round tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. Now, that's mainly for the far western counties, but some of that could be significant. We'll talk about that in a second. In the meantime, let's start you out here. For the first time in 3 days, temperatures finally got above freezing. 36 in Philadelphia, 34 in Millville, and it's presently 35 degrees in Allentown. Now, we got cold air in place across the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. You can see here towards the bottom of your screen the rain approaching through the Virginias and the Carolinas. So aloft, temperatures, if we were living at 5,000 feet, temperatures are around 40 degrees. So that's why we get the freezing rain out of this and not the snow. It's because the ground is really, really cold, the surface air, but aloft we're pretty mild. So the snow falls into that mild layer, it melts into a raindrop, and then the raindrop freezes on contact with the cold ground. So we do have some icy concerns tomorrow morning. Icy patches are going to be likely, sidewalks, driveways, some of the back roads. There's a slip and fall risk, definitely. You may need to allow some extra time to scrape the ice off the windshield. It's going to be the I-95 corridor here, just a little bit of ice. Now, I do want to stress here that ice accumulation and snow accumulation are two completely different animals. You get an inch of snow, it's not a big deal. You get 6, 7, 8 inches of snow, and yeah, that becomes an issue. You get just a trace of ice, and it can slow everything down to a crawl. It can take your car off the road. So this is what we have to be concerned about tomorrow morning. A little bit of ice on the front end. We catch a break during the first part of the afternoon, then here comes the main event by evening. And this will be more significant, especially across the far western counties. Now, for the I-95 corridor, it briefly starts out as freezing rain, but temperatures should warm pretty quickly. So during the overnight, Monday night, we actually flip it over to rain, but it's still freezing rain for the far western counties, the Lehigh Valley, and the Poconos. So here's what you could expect for the far western counties with the Monday night, Tuesday event. Ice storm warning in effect for those areas. Freezing rain arrives late afternoon. We will see a moderate ice accumulation, moderate ice accretion on everything out there, anything untreated. That's overnight, ending early Tuesday morning. Dangerous travel. National Weather Service is suggesting don't even travel Monday night into Tuesday morning, far western counties. Untreated surfaces will become very, very slippery. For the I-95 corridor, freezing rain begins at the onset here Monday evening. Icy patches are possible, but this should quickly go over to plain rain here as temperatures begin to moderate a little bit. And then for the Jersey Shore, this is an all-rain event. Temperatures are going to be very, very mild. As a matter of fact, by Tuesday morning, we're well up into the 40s, about 45 to 48 degrees. Rain Monday night, some of it heavy at times, ending early Tuesday morning. Maybe some leftover clouds and drizzle during the day on Tuesday, but the big stuff is out of here. So here's the exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Cloudy skies for tomorrow. A wintry mix early in the morning, followed by the second round late in the evening, 34 for the high. Tuesday, we'll see rain during the morning, an icy mix north and west. All of it ends very, very quickly. By afternoon, it's mainly just cloudy. Look at that high, 45 degrees. That's a little bit better. Wednesday, turning colder again, partly sunny with a high of 34. Wednesday night, the next system pushes through. Looks like snow and sleet going over to rain by Thursday, but there could be several inches on the front end before we change over to rain, 37. Friday is milder, 44. Saturday is colder again, 37. And then Sunday is milder again with a high of 45 degrees. Sarah?
Okay, Chris, thank you. So